Hello and welcome back to another product in profile, the series where we take our favourite products and show you the processes on how to use them. Today we're going to be looking at our Ultimate Snow Foam Cannon kit. So included in our kit is our Ultimate Snow Foam, along with a 1 litre snow cannon with a brass fitment for the attachment, along with 3 fitments for jet washes. They include Nilfisk, Karcher and Bosch. Once you've selected the attachment that you need for your jet wash, in the case of Karcher, you can screw the fitment straight to the attachment. With the other two, Bosch and Nilfisk, you need to use the adapter provided. Make sure you use PTFE tape on both sides and you can affix it ready to go. With the attachment you've got 2 adjustments, that's air to water ratio along with the spray that you have. As you can see in the B-roll, we've now pre-mixed this 5:1. We've jet washed the car down and we're ready to lather it on. The benefits of using snow foam, especially in winter months in the UK, is to loosen off and soften any harsh winter grime that we may have, including road salt, dirty water and certainly mud on the side of the roads and the country lanes we have. The specific benefits of using our Ultimate Snow Foam is that it's wax safe, so it's designed to work with, it's pH neutral and it won't harm any of the wax protection that you have on your vehicle. So once we've applied the snow foam around the vehicle in a uniform fashion, we leave it to dwell for a few moments, which allows the cleaning agents in the snow foam to dissolve any loose contaminants and soften up the harder ones. As you can see, the Xtreme cling in the snow foam doing its job, working in conjunction with the wax protection that you have on the vehicle, allows it to sit against the surface and the cleaning detergents to do their job. What we're ready to do now is jet wash this off. I will remove the cannon from the end of the jet wash and go ahead and rinse the vehicle down. So there you have it, we've pre-washed and snow foamed the vehicle. We're now ready to go on to a contact wash where you use a wash mitt and your shampoo detergent of choice. And that's it, another product in profile video. Today we've shown you our Ultimate Snow Foam Cannon kit. If you've liked the content today or you've got any product that you'd like us to profile, please comment below and we'll do our best to feature it.